Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a Convoy C8 Plus. Now I was sent this by Banggood.com. This is the sand colored version, and this is also 3300K, so it's going to be real warm, and it comes in this box. So let's wait no further, let's open this up and see what's in. Comes with no literature at all, pretty typical of convoys. We'll take it out of the package. It does come with a lanyard here, as you can see. And here's the light. Takes a single 18650. It's got that nice flat finish on there. Very unique color and design. Feels a little more grippy than some of the previous models that they have done. Knurling is really nice on this one here, really nice and grippy, but it's not sharp. Machining and finish are excellent, really nice on this. Tail clicky. Now this style and design is pretty common. Quite a few manufacturers that use this host. Very nice though. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at that smooth deep reflector there. Running the Cree XP-L high LED. Remember, this is going to be 3300K. It's going to be really warm. Alright, let's go ahead and take it apart. Show you the springs on the tail end there. And then, as you can see, well greased on the threads. Show you the head of the light there. See the drivers. Okay. Put it back together. I'll show you the cell that I'm going to be using here. I'm going to be using some of my favorites. These are the Samsung 25Rs. These are 2500 milliamp, 20 amp cells, unprotected. Excellent cells. We're going to put this back together, and we'll go ahead and go through the UI. The UI here is pretty simple on the one that I have. We turn it on. Of course, it comes on. Real warm on that beam, as you can see. And then of course you can half press that to go through the light outputs. Really warm on that. Then of course you've got strobe, and that kind of speeds up and slows down. Does have a bicycle mode, or some people call it pulsing. Alright. Then of course you've got the battery level. So we've got 4 volts on that battery. Alright, and then goes right back to the regular UI. Alright, so the build quality on this is really nice. Can't complain on these convoys. Excellent pricing on them as well. So let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Convoy C8 Plus, 3,300 Kelvin. When I turn it on, as you can see, it's making 38 feet there. Real warm in temperature there. Show it on the fence here. Give an idea how it looks. Alright, we're going to go up to the next level here. Went up a little bit higher there, as you can see. Making still 38 feet there. 65 feet there. It's doing really good. So we're going to go ahead and go to the next level here. Spills come alive here. Easily making it across the park there, as you can see. Making it across the park, which is really good. And making the tree of life there, as you can see. Alright. We're going to go up to the next level over here. And it's really come alive there now. Nice wide spill. Fence line, tree line there. Easily making it across the park. Doing really good. Very impressed. Got some good throwing range on this. Tree of life. Faintly making the palm trees. Alright. We're going to go up to the next level here. Wow. Really warm on this beam. A little too warm in my preference, but for all you people that love neutral tint, this is going to be great for you. Very nice throw on this. Spill is nice and wide. Really nice. Good range on this. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed those night shots. This thing did pretty good. It's a little warm for me. I prefer 5000K to 6000K personally, and that depends on the light as well. But for throwers, I really like the cool white over the warm emitters. All in all, these Convoys are great budget lights. They make excellent throwers. It's got some good throwing range for at this color temperature. It's very bright. No issues on build quality, of course, with these Convoys. You really can't get any better for the price. Now, I just want to thank Banggood for sending me this again to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, in any color, you don't have to get the 3300K. You can get the actual cooler temperature lights if you want. Look right up on that screen right about there. Several model types that you can pick from. And that'll help you save some money, should you be interested. Okay, well that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these type of budget lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.